Welcome to Feast Magazine's Campfire Cooking, sponsored by Bill Plemmons RV World, home of the lifetime warranty.
Hey everybody, so today we have something really fun to cook around the campfire, and that is pizza. I bet you never really thought that you could grill pizza, but you definitely can, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. And the recipe for the dough is very, very simple, and it takes only a few ingredients and almost no skill. But of course, if you want to buy pre-made pizza dough, you totally can do that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is stretch this guy. So I'm just putting my little guy here right directly on the grill. And I'm gonna top this one with some red sauce, mushrooms, and peppers. This one's a classic, if you can't tell. A little bit of sausage and some onion, and then of course, mozzarella cheese, lots of it. I can already see it bubbling. I'm gonna grab my dome and flip it over. So what that's going to do is make it so the heat really goes all the way around the pizza. Just like that. Now obviously each fire is gonna be a little bit different, and so I can't tell you exactly how long it's going to take to cook, but it really will just be a few minutes. What I don't wanna do is let the crust burn. So I'm just gonna check it. It's getting a little hot. So I'm just moving this guy around. Okay, this guy is done. That took quite literally 5 minutes. I'm looking at the timer on the camera. I'm just gonna keep on going. I have a classic margarita with just fresh mozzarella and basil, and also a little bit of fresh tomato. And then I also have, and this is a fun one that I really love, it's grape and blue cheese and prosciutto. You can just make your dough when you're at home and then pack it in your cooler on your way to the campsite, and then very easily just grill it up when you get there. It's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna check this guy. That thing is heavy. Cooking over the campfire is not for the faint of heart. Things are heavy and hot. Pizza number 2, hot off the grill. And now for my personal favorite, the blue cheese, grapes, and prosciutto, which you might think sounds weird, but I think it sounds delicious. I can smell the crust. It's getting nice and toasty, and oh my goodness, that creamy blue cheese is all melty. So there you have it. All the recipes are right here on this site. So I'm pretty sure you are never going to look at pizza quite the same way again. Rustic and easy right on the campfire. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Go on a vacation and still practice social distancing. How? In an RV. RV travel allows you and your family to sleep in your own beds, cook gourmet meals, and control where you go. They are the ultimate self-contained units. See them online at BillPlemmonsRV.com.